Okay, not exactly sure what type of car this is, but it's been here a long time. We're on essentially where my daddy grew up, and this car set up, I guess, close to the house place. And many years after that, he took his bulldozer and pushed it down this hill because it wasn't operational anymore.
Up here.
But it's been here a long time. And like I said, I'm not exactly even sure what type it is. Who could have told you? I don't want to say
Those
it's a
specialists could have told.
Chevrolet. This is where the spare tire went.
Oh.
It bolted in.
Oh, is it one of those cars like the
And here's the fender. One of the fenders. You'll see if it had any type of. Oh, there's an old steering wheel.
Oh my gosh. There's the old shifter.
Yep. There's the pedals way down in there. The old seats.
Seat spring.
And there's a bird or something that made his nest back up in there. We'll see if I can see anything on the running board, but I don't know why I want to say this is a Chevrolet. Maybe it is. Anybody knows, drop it in the comments. There's a tag here, but I can't even read it. Some wires.
Otto!
It's been here a long time. Do not mess with that. The door may fall off. Isn't that cool? Back around in here. Oh, wait a minute. No, I just don't see anything that would identify it. Car folks know what it is, but not me.
That's a really big car.
Yeah, it is. A lot of metal in it, you know. That's when they made it with little gas tank.
What was that?
I don't know. Been here as long as I know, way before I come along. Even some of the chrome still on it.
Up here!
All right. The old car.